Good Vach, and welcome back to Just a Minute, Just a Mishnah. It says Mishnah, the Nishmas, Fredele Basra, and the Schos Rabbi Yitzchak ben Gila, and the Froster Basiva. So, Mesechas Bava Basra, Perik Aleph, Mishnah Gimel, Mishnah Dalad, Hamakifis Chaver, Mishnah Shuchaisav. We have a case where someone has a field, and his friend has 3 fields surrounding his, so from 3 sides. V'godar Sarishon and Vesashnia, and by a field, you don't, because you're not really doing anything so private. But the owner of these 3 fields built a fence on each side. So now the owner of the single field has 3 sides of his field surrounded by a fence, which is good for him. Ein Mechayven, I said, but so the owner of the 3 fields can't force him to pay for it but if he were to build a 4th wall, so then it's going to be closed off, and then he would have to pay because he's getting actual benefit because it's closed off. But because there's only 3 walls here, so there's still an open side, so it doesn't really give him any benefit. So here, so Rabbi Yossi says that if the guy went and bought and built a 4th wall for him, so then so then he has to pay for all 4 fences. Mishnah Dad, if we have a wall in between 2 courtyards which fall down, we make both, if one of the partners doesn't want to pay, so we make him pay to build the wall, at least up to 4 amos, which is about 2 meters tall. I think it's about 2 meters, 1.5 meters. And we assume, basically once they've built the wall, we assume that they both paid, unless one of them brings proof that the other one didn't pay. If the wall is 4 if we build the wall, if both of them build the wall together to 4 amos high, which is this measurement that we just mentioned, so if one of them wants to build the wall higher than that, so then he can't force the other person to build it with him because he only has to build it up to this specific amount. If one of them voluntarily builds up the top, then his friend who didn't add in money for the extra amount goes and builds another wall next to it, and then his intention is to put like a roof on top and get benefit from it like that. So then, so even before he puts the roof on top, he also then has to pay for the extra bit that was built on top, because now he's getting benefit from it. And in this case, he's considered as if until he brings proof that he paid for the extra part of the wall, he's considered as if he didn't pay for it. Good vach, and those are today's mishnayos.